Hi, I'm Erin Madsen with 300dpi.com by DCWB. Have you ever found a pattern paper that you wanted to use, but it just didn't look right on the layout you were working on? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the color of your pattern paper to make it just the way you want it.
This is a great technique, and once you've learned it, you'll notice yourself using it all the time on your layouts. There's nothing like getting that paper just the way you want it. These are elements from 300dpi's kit BFF, which if you have teenagers or tweens, you know that means best friends forever. So this is a really fun kit with lots of bright colors, and if you have any teenagers or tweens in your life that love to take pictures of them with their friends, they'll love this digital kit to scrapbook all those papers. So I'm using this kit, and when I was, kind of looking for papers to use, I wanted to use this Friends element, but I wish that there was that coral orange printed paper in the kit with that polka dot. I just love the polka dot. There wasn't that in the kit, and so I thought, hey, I can just make it the color that I want. So let me show you how fun it is. Just make sure when you're working with your paper that the element with the color that you want the end result to be is right next to it, because we're going to be eyeballing this change. So you want to click on your yellow polka dot paper, and we're going to do a hue saturation level right on top of our paper. So down at the bottom of the layers palette, there's this little black and white circle, and it looks like a black and white cookie from Manhattan. All the coffee shops have these little cookies that are half black, half white. So if you love New York like me, that's what you think of when you see this little black and white circle. So go ahead and click on that, and then you will go to hue saturation. When that comes up, you have this little color box. We're going to just play with the hue on the master color, and just look how easy this is. It's going to keep the same pattern that we have, but we can really just change it to whatever color we want. If we wanted to change it to that blue, we could do that, but I really want that coral, so we're going to go down this way. Yeah, that looks about right. You don't always have to play around with the saturation, but sometimes I just like to give it a little pop. It kind of makes the polka dots look a little crisper. So that looks good to me. So I'm just going to pull my element over in to see how well I matched up. That looks pretty good to me. So you never have to go looking for that perfect piece of printed paper. You can just change it just to whatever you want, and to me that is just a great benefit of digital scrapbooking. Be sure to hop on over to 300dpi, check out everything we have to offer, our idea gallery, our awesome kits, and lots more tutorials. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Go to 300dpi.com and sign up for our monthly digital club, where you'll get the most product for your money.